Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought a very simple pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any ladies cardigan, gents sweaters, baby blankets, shawls, jackets. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 8 stitches and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this is 10 rows repeat pattern. From front side our pattern will look like this, and from wrong side our pattern will look like this. So let us start now. For demonstration I have taken 18 stitches on my needle, multiple of 8 2 times 16 stitches and plus 2 stitches for edge. Let us start now. This is our first row. From right side slip one stitch and then knit all stitches, knit all stitches till the end of the row. Then purl last edge stitch. This is how we knitted our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip edge stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl all stitches till the end of the row, including edge stitch. Here we ended our second row. Now let us start our third row from right side. Slip edge stitch and then our repeat pattern begins. Knit 4 stitches and then purl 4 stitches. 1 2 3 and 4. This is our first repeat pattern. First edge stitch, first edge stitch and then knit 4 stitches and after that purl 4 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern of 8 stitches. Now second repeat, knit 4 stitches, after that purl 4 stitches. 1 2 3 and 4. This is second repeat pattern. 4 knit stitches and 4 purl stitches. Now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now we will start our fourth row. Slip edge stitch and then knit 3 stitches. After that our repeat pattern begins. From here our repeat pattern starts. Purl 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and after that knit 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and now last 6 stitches. Out of that, purl 4 stitches and then knit 1 stitch and after that purl last edge stitch. Here our 4th row is complete now. Now let us start our 5th row. For 5th row, slip edge stitch and then purl 2 stitches. Now from here our first repeat begins. Knit 4 stitches and after that purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is our first repeat pattern. First slip stitch and then purl 2 stitches and from here repeat pattern, knit 4 stitches and then purl 4 stitches. Now last 7 stitches, knit 4 stitches, purl next 2 stitches and then purl edge stitch. This is our 5th row. Now 6th row, slip edge stitch and then knit 1 stitch and from here our repeat pattern begins. Purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip edge stitch and then knit 1 stitch and from here repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches and then knit 4 stitches. Now last 7 stitches, purl 4 stitches and then knit 3 stitches. And purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our 6th row. Now 7th row from right side. Slip edge stitch and then knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. From here our repeat pattern starts. Purl 4 stitches and then knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First edge stitch and then knit 3 stitches and then repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches and then knit 4 stitches. Now last 6 stitches, purl 4 stitches, and then knit 1 stitch and purl last edge stitch. This is our 7th row. Now 8th row from wrong side, slip edge stitch and then purl 2 stitches. After that repeat pattern, knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. First edge stitch and then purl 2 stitches. After that repeat pattern, knit 4 and purl 4. Now we have 7 stitches, knit 4 stitches and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After that purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our 8th row. Now it's our 9th row, slip edge stitch and then knit 1 stitch, and from here our repeat pattern begins. Purl 4 stitches, 3 and 4. After that knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Edge stitch and then knit 1 stitch, and after that repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches and then knit 4 stitches. Now last 8 stitches, purl 4 stitches, and then knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our 9th row. Now 10th row, last row of our pattern, slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now knit next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. First edge stitch and then repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches and then knit 4 stitches. Now again second repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that knit 4 stitches, and then purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our last row of the pattern. Repeat these 10 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.